In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads and YouTube. Let's begin by navigating to your Google Ads account. This will be our starting point. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the overview page. This page provides a summary of your account's performance, but our focus will be elsewhere for today's task. What we're looking for is the Tools section. This is where Google Ads hides all its little secrets and powerful features, waiting to be unleashed by savvy marketers like yourselves. Once you click on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a plethora of options. However, not all that glitters is gold, and for our purpose today, we want the one that shines just the right way, the Data Manager option. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to linking your YouTube channel with Google Ads. After selecting Data Manager, you'll spot an option for YouTube amidst others. Here's where things start getting exciting. Click on YouTube, and you'll be led down the rabbit hole to a wonderland where Google Ads meets video content. The next natural step is to click on Link Channel. This is your gateway to integrating your beloved YouTube channel with the ad campaigns that you run on Google Ads. Now you'll be prompted to type in your YouTube channel's name. It's crucial at this stage to ensure you're entering the correct channel name or URL, as this is how Google Ads will identify which channels to link to your advertising account. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure a smooth linkage. After you've entered your YouTube channel's information, it's time to configure the settings. This step is akin to setting the table before a meal. It's all about preparation. Carefully go through the settings to ensure they align with your advertising goals and objectives. This might include preferences on how ads are to be displayed on your YouTube channel, among other settings. Take your time with this step, as the configurations you choose will directly impact how your ads run. Finally, after configuring your settings, you'll be ushered to the last stage review and submit. This is your moment to double check all the information you've entered and the settings you've configured. It's like proofreading an important email before hitting send. Once satisfied that everything is in order, hit submit and voila! Your YouTube channel is now linked with your Google Ads account. A few additional tips to keep in mind throughout this process. First, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access both the Google Ads and YouTube accounts you're attempting to link. Not having the correct permissions can create a roadblock in this process. Second, consider the strategic implications of linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads. This integration enables a plethora of advertising options on YouTube, including the ability to promote your videos via Google Ads and gain detailed insights into the performance of your ads on YouTube. It opens up a new world of targeted advertising opportunities, allowing you to reach your audience more effectively. Lastly, remember that while technology does a lot of heavy lifting, the success of your ads still heavily relies on the content's quality and its alignment with your target audience's interests. So, continue creating compelling, engaging content that resonates with your audience and use the power of Google Ads to amplify its reach. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Ads account with your YouTube channel. This integration is a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal, allowing you to leverage the vastness of YouTube's audience and the precision of Google Ads targeting. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost channel subscriptions, linking these two platforms provides you with more tools to achieve your marketing objectives. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now better equipped to maximize your online advertising efforts. Happy marketing, and see you in the next video.